Well, hello my friend and welcome to my channel. I ventured out this week and went to Dollar Tree and finally found some of the Wet n Wild clear for making decals. Guyleen raves on this all the time and I've been looking for it forever. I haven't found it in Walmart, Walgreens, nowhere, but I finally found 2 bottles at the Dollar Tree. Yay! So they also had some of these double packs of Sinful colors, and you know, when you can find Sinful colors for 50 cents a bottle, you gotta jump on it. The only thing is when you do this, a lot of times you end up with duplicates, and this whole container right here I think is a duplicate. We've got Rise Up and Lucked Up, and this is Rise Up here and Lucked Up here. So my overbuying is going to benefit a giveaway. So this package right here will go into a giveaway box. So we're just going to set that to the side. I am going to swatch these for you today on Jenny. I have her out. She's with me. So the colors I got are Sundown Get Down, which is this orangey red with the pink shimmer in it. Rise Up, and then Lucked Up, and then this blue is called Spark. So I'm going to open these up and we're going to get to swatching. Alright, here we go. We're going to start off with Rise Up, and this one on the cap says it's a matte finish. So that, you know, if you don't like it matte, you can always put a top coat, a glossy top coat on it. So there's one coat of Rise Up. Next we're going to do Lucked Up, which is this gorgeous green with lots of shimmer in it. Could not pass these up, and I'm so excited to get some more Sinful colors because they're not as available as they used to be, not in my area. So that's very pretty. Very nice. And then, oh, I forgot the name of this one. Let me get Jenny up here. Come on, Jenny, cooperate with me. And this one was that Sundown Get Down, the orange one, orangey red one. So, hold on, I've got a fuzzy or a cotton hair or something. So here we go with this one. I love that shimmer in it. Oh my goodness, and it so translates to the nail. How pretty. Very nice. So pretty. And then get this pinky up in here. And this one was Spark. And I love this blue. It's just so rich looking. Love that. Oh, getting messy here. There we go. Wipe that off with my nail. Alright, and you can see that has already dried down matte on that very first one. Yeah, it does say matte finish on that. So this is Rise Up. We're going to do another coat of that. Now, my experience with matte polishes, you kind of got to work a little fast because they dry. You don't want to over brush stroke them. Some of them behave well. And I have a tendency to, you know, brush. I love Rise Up. That is gorgeous. Alright, and then back to Lucked Up. This one didn't have anything special on the label on the cap. Hello, Cotton. How are you? He's like just making himself at home. Hi, Woody. How you doing? There we go. Gonna need another. Alright, so we're back to this, and the orange one here, the orangey one that's called Sundown Get Down, has a limited time sticker on the cap. I don't know, I don't have any idea when these came out or what they were from or anything, but I'm in love with this one. Ooh, that's so pretty. Got all that glimmer and shimmer in it. Love that one. And then Spark. Come on, Jenny. Work with me. There we go. So here we go with Spark. Golly, that's pretty. It's like a really blue with like a little bit of teal in it or something. Just very nice. Oh, love. It's kind of looking purple on camera, but it's not. Okay, so I'm going to go back and do another coat of Lucked Up. Is that what it's called? Yeah, Lucked Up. I'm losing my mind. Here we go. It's got a thinner formula, but it's not, you know, it's not bad, and it dries really fast, so doing multiple coats when they dry fast is not a problem for me. You know, I haven't seen many of these double packs at my Dollar Tree, so I'm always excited when I find them. And I grab them, and then I think, okay, well, I don't know if I have that one already. But I figure, you know, for that price, we just put whatever's extra into the giveaway bucket, which I promise y'all I am going to get to that. Maybe I can do that this weekend. Start sorting that out and getting it ready. So there we go. We have 4 beautiful new polishes in the collection, all by Sinful Colors, and I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if your Dollar Tree has these and if you've gotten lucky and been able to find any of these. And that is it for me today. So I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.